Hi again. Today we are going to do some shopping and we are going to eat in the center again. So we have arrived. This center is called Manufactura, and as you can see, there are lots of beautiful lights, Christmas decoration, as you can see, and the Christmas tree that I told you about before. Now we are in the food store, and me, of course, I'm going to buy some cream for my breakfast coffee because I always drink coffee with the cream. And because it's Christmas, I will take 2 creams, so I will not be left without it. And now we are going to the Mexican restaurant in Manufactura, and we have a table upstairs. There are not a lot of people here, so we have a good table with a nice view, as you can see. We are looking inside in the menu, but we will take the same dish that we take almost every day, and it's called empanada. At first we are going to eat nachos with the tomato sauce. This is the typical starter in this restaurant. And for drink we are going to take Coca-Cola. It's like you pay once and you can take always more and more and more. Then we are going to eat cheese sticks with the sauce. It's very good. There are 5 of these sticks. And here it is, empanada. The empanada is very tasty, so we usually eat all of it. And now dessert. For dessert we are going to take ice creams, of course, with whipped cream. So, yum yum. After eating in the restaurant we are going back home, and at home unfortunately my satellite TV is not working, so we will try to fix it. You can see here that there is no signal at all and I cannot watch anything. My cat is very interested in what's going on my balcony where I have my satellite equipment. And yeah, the signal is back and I can watch everything now. So I will be watching, and I'm saying goodbye to you till tomorrow. Bye bye.